Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money at Xero. Xero is very nice accounting software. I would say the best for small and medium companies, also for freelancers. And that being said, let's proceed to how to send money or transfer it. Let's say you are sending payments, for example, for your employees for a past month or week or whatever. Yeah, it's called salary, but yeah. We have to go to the top right corner and click on plus option, and there's a transfer money option. So enter transfer details. I won't be able to finish this one, but yeah. Or let's go with from business account to, let's say, Sarah money option, but obviously that account is not inside my accounting on this trial account. I created a trial account because I'm not obviously very comfortable of sharing my personal information on the internet. Not that I not trust you guys, I just like to be serious and also secured. That's why even Xero is providing like 2-level of authentication. And you need authenticator if you want to log in into your Xero account, and that's why I love it so much. So, first of all, we have the date on which we are sending the money. We can go to 1st September or this is weird, Friday 2nd, yeah, because there's a holiday tomorrow here in Slovakia. Amount of euros, let's go with 1,800, and reference salary, and we can add a month. So this is August, I believe. Just like that. And then you can transfer and add another, or just transfer the money. But this won't work because obviously I haven't put my real account in there, and sending from business to business makes no sense. But I believe if you're using Xero and you want to basically transfer money, you can even use it. Between your personal account and your business account, and that's I would say the most used part. If you guys have any other questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.